The best time for me to do my reviews is right after the episode, before I see everything that is being said about an episode online, because then I know that it's totally my opinions and thoughts on the episode. I'm not being influenced by what other people's opinions are about that episode. But again, recently, sometimes it doesn't happen. And with Umawande, you know, in this episode, so Seleko is taking his kids out for his birthday because obviously his relationship with his wives, um, the relationships are not the best. Or is it one relationship with all of them? So the relationships are not okay. So he says that he said to the wife they mustn't bother this time. He will just take the kids out. And it was so cringy because the kids were just not happy, did not look happy being there. I think they must have thought we're going out with dad. Dad misses us. So he wants to spend time with us. Then when they get there, they realize that no, dad has another intention. This is not just us spending time with him because we miss him. We haven't been with him. He is just wanting us to meet this child whose mother has caused this chaos that we have in our family. And I really think that for something like that to happen, uh, I think kids need to be prepared, you know? And I think conversations need to take place before they go and meet the child, especially when it's in a situation like that. And also, the older children, and Mawande now is one of the older children because she's approaching her late teens, they are aware that as their father is doing what he's doing, of course, they cannot say no to meeting their little sister. And I don't think that they hate their little sister. But you guys, as you grow older as a child, you become more fierce about defending your parent and more especially your mom. And the kids know, except for the Macele kids, the kids know that their mothers are not going to be happy with this meeting. But at the same time, they are not in a position to say no to their father because they love him too. And they do want to show respect to him too. And they do know and understand as well that the family has this commitment that they have made where they do have to shoot the show. So it's a lot for the kids to be going through in one moment. A couple of times, Luanda had to walk away because first he did not know why he was there. The next thing, before he is ready to tell his siblings about the fact that he's having a child, his father told everybody. So it was a lot for everybody. Below has flu. Then I'm sure Yenage being one of, very intelligent, must have figured it out. Maybe even her mom warned her, would see this possibly is you guys meeting either number 5 or Ingan. Now, you guys, with all of that being said, I feel like I have seen what people are saying about Mawande online, that she was very disrespectful. She's getting very cheeky. But when I watched that, the scene and her diary session, first her comments about the name Metuli, and then the fact that she told her mom what was going on. I want to really blame production and Mseleko because I don't know, you guys. Like the Coco Flow comment, I am not convinced that Mawande is the originator of that comment. I really am not. I really am not. And having seen videos and comments on this issue from other people, I realized that I'm actually the only one that sort of picked that up or has that opinion. I don't think, guys, Mawande said, If my father can tell Gogo Flo about my mother, I can also tell my mother what I want to tell. Guys, that is like, no. I do not believe that the originator of that comment is Mawande. I really don't believe it, you guys. And I guess we are also still getting to know their personalities now as sort of grown children. Maybe later on I will say, no, it must have been really her comment. I do not think so. Okay, I don't think so. I don't think Mawande thought of that comment herself. I think somebody, when they are shooting that diary, must have thought it would be really spicy for her to say something like that. Or they asked her a question that was leading. Okay. Do you think that you are justified in calling your mother because your father also goes and tells Gogo Flo everything? And then maybe they said yes, and then they're like, okay, just say the whole sentence. I am convinced that Mawande, whatever question she was asked, to answer it like that, she was asked like the question was a leading question, and it directed her to answer it like that. I'm not convinced that that child thought of that comment. She might be cheeky right now, and it will make sense because she is still in her teens, but I do not think that she originally thought of that comment. And then we go to Methuli. Now, you guys, what would be the reason for anybody to ask a child, what do you think of her name? What do you think of her name? Now, you guys, think about it. Mawande knows, okay, Mawande, number one, is one of the children that has said she does not like when she watches her father say all of those things about her mom. Then she does know that her mom almost left the marriage because of number 5. And she has probably had arguments, seen experienced the tension between their parents, and she knows what number 5 is the cause of that. So that her meeting the child is already accompanied by izinto as negative vele that comes with number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5. Now you meet a child, she's meeting, now she's going to feel like if she says, oh my god, Methuli is so cute, I like the name Methuli, and then but then she's thinking if she says anything positive about the name of the child, that might hurt her mom, because she knows that her father has said things on TV that has hurt her mom. So she's trying to take her mom's side in like her talking about a name in a negative way. I feel like she's trying to take her mom's side. She's trying to say something that probably she thinks her mom would say. Another thing, you guys, is that when you say Methuli, it took me time to actually understand what that is. When somebody explained it, what Methuli, because sometimes it feels like they mean Methuli, you know. So for me, it took me time to say, oh, it's Methuli, unburden the English, that the one we're thinking about. So now I don't think that Mawande will immediately get what Methuli means unless it's explained to them. And then she had such, I don't know, you guys, Mawande's diary was strange for me. I might be wrong in thinking that she was being led to be that spicy about Methuli's name and about the Gogo Flo situation. But it's hard for me to believe that that child thought about those comments like fully they came from her. And I hope that they did, because if they didn't, then it's starting to feel like, besides the fact that the Mselegos own the production company, so they must have some control, but within the people that they work with, there are people that don't really care much about this family, because they are pushing for certain agendas. They know Mselego is not 100% well in the head. Yes, Mselego is a narcissist, but there's something about him that is not his original self that we met when we started watching the show. They know that. They know Mselego is not 100%. They know that as they go to shoot the scene with Mselego and the child, they know that the wives, who are their main cast on the show, that at this point they should care about, because even their salaries are paid because their wives are agreeing to do the show. They know that those wives are not going to be happy about this meeting. On top of that, they shoot this scene and then they're putting these kids doing diaries that they're not being paid to do. And their parents are going to be shocked watching the show that these kids have said these comments, because I don't even think the wives get to see the kids' diaries and approve of them being shown on TV. If you go to Mawande's TikTok right now, you guys, everybody is going on about how disrespectful she is as a child under her dance videos on TikTok. Old women like me are under her comment section telling that child off because of the diary of something that she said during the diary, because of the comment she said about Methuli, because of the comment she said about Coco Flow and Musamselegu telling Coco Flow that. I don't think they're doing enough to protect the children. And if there isn't even a check that is signed on behalf of this child for doing the show and put in a trust so that in the future she can have that money, then why is it worth it for them to put the children through that? Because they're going through a lot on social media right now because of how they reacted to meeting Metul, but they're not even being paid for the show. I don't think that they're doing enough to protect the kids. The wives, yeah, when the wives are being shady, show us. When the wives are exposing each other, show us the adults, they're getting paid for that, show us. But with the kids, it's uncomfortable to watch. It's uncomfortable to watch, and it feels like, no, man, nah. That child didn't think of that. So for now, I do not believe that Mawande thought, especially the Coco Flow one. In fact, both of them, both the comments, when she said that Umselegu tells Coco Flow everything, so that's why she also called her mother and told her about the fact that they are meeting Methuli, and also her saying, Methuli, what kind of name is that? Methuli at least he should have named her Thuli. I don't believe it. But anyway, we will meet in the comment section where I will hear what you think about this one.